In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a document double-sided using Microsoft Word. This is a fantastic way to save paper and create professional-looking documents. Whether you're preparing a report for work, a school project, or simply printing documents at home, printing double-sided can really make a difference. So let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to have your Microsoft Word file open in front of you. Make sure that the document you have up is indeed the one you wish to print. Double-checking this can save you from wasting paper on unnecessary prints. Once you're certain you're in the right document, take your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the File tab. Click on it. This drop-down menu is where a variety of functions reside, and among them is the Print option. Now, while you can click through the File menu, there's also a quicker way, a handy keyboard shortcut. By pressing Ctrl and P simultaneously, you'll directly open the Print dialog box. This shortcut is particularly convenient if you find yourself printing frequently. Now that you're in the print settings, take a closer look at the section labeled Settings. You'll notice a default option, likely listed as Print One-Sided. To switch to double-sided printing, you'll want to change this setting. If your printer supports automatic double-sided printing, you'll see an option like Print Double-Sided. However, if your printer does not support automatic duplex printing, don't worry. You should see an option labeled Manually Print on both sides. This option will guide you through flipping the paper manually, ensuring you still achieve that neat, double-sided result. With your settings adjusted as needed, it's time to go ahead and click Print. For those using the manual double-sided method, keep in mind that your printer will likely print one side first. It'll then prompt you to replace the printed stack back into the paper tray, but this time flipped so it can print on the opposite side. And just like that, you're all set. Once the printing process is complete, you should have a document that not only looks great, but is also efficient in its use of paper. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment a bit to find the method that best suits your situation and printer type. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. By incorporating these simple yet effective steps into your printing routine, you'll be more environmentally friendly and add a touch of professionalism to your documents. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask. Happy printing!